Sallingham with the Virtual Weber Bullet with a quick tip on pork butt au jus. If you're making pork butt and you foil the pork butt at some point in the process, you're likely to end up with a bunch of juice and liquid at the bottom of the foil. I can't tell you how many times I have just tossed that out. But there's a better way. You can use that juice and make pork butt jus. Simply pour off that liquid into a large glass measuring cup or into any container and put it in the refrigerator. When it cools, the fat will have risen to the top and you can just strip off the fat, leaving the jus behind. But surprise, it's not liquid, it's like Jell-O because it contains a lot of gelatin. I like to warm it up and run it through a fine strainer so I can use it for any number of different applications. It's absolutely delicious. When it's in its solid state in the refrigerator, you can just take a spoon and scoop out a little bit, add it to whatever pork butt you're heating up. It adds a lot of beautiful flavor and moisture back to your pork butt. And that's your quick tip from the Virtual Weber Bullet. Bye-bye, everybody.